Hello, my name is Chris Hubbard, and this is my final presentation for my EMDR tactile stimulation device. I will start off by explaining what EMDR is. EMDR stands for Eye Movement Desensitization and Reprocessing. It is a phased, scientifically validated, and integrative psychotherapy approach based on the theory that much of psychopathology is due to traumatic experience or disturbing life events. The goal of EMDR therapy is to process these distressing memories and reduce their long-lasting effects and allow the person to develop more adaptive coping mechanisms. Now I'll explain how EMDR works. EMDR is an 8-phased approach that includes having the person recall distressing images while receiving one of the several types of bilateral sensory input. During the reprocessing phases, the client momentarily attends to past memories, present triggers, or anticipated future experiences, all the while simultaneously focusing on a new set of external stimulus. During that time, clients generally experience the emergence of insight, changes in memories, or new associations. The clinician assisting the client focuses on appropriate material before initiation of each new subsequent set. Simply put, the process can be described in 4 steps: review issues, prepare for insight and new associations, identify possible disturbing events, and then the desensitization and conduct bilateral stimulation. Now I will talk about my project goal. The goal of this project was to create a customizable tactile stimulation device to aid therapists in the reprocessing and desensitization phase of EMDR therapy. This is the phase that is vulnerable to bilateral sensory input and a place where significant positive change can occur. Using an Arduino Uno, 2 vibration motors, a Bluetooth module, and a smartphone, I created a tactile stimulation device that can be controlled via Bluetooth. Here I will talk about the specific requirements I used to build the frame of my project. I have 5 engineering requirements that correspond with 4 marketing requirements. For the marketing requirements, the system should have a low cost to implement, it should be easy to use, the system should enable professionals to administer EMDR treatment, and the system should administer appropriate tactile feedback. For my first engineering requirement, I wanted the vibration motors small enough to fit in the palms and comfortable enough to hold for a long period of time. Next, I wanted the system to be able to be controlled by the person administering this treatment. For the third requirement, I want the system to keep track of current pulse rate so that it can be changed based on the patient's preference. Finally, I believe that the system should be portable and it shouldn't be cumbersome to carry around. Unfortunately, to show how well EMDR works, you need a licensed therapist and a willing client who is trying to get over some personal trauma. So for my project demonstration, what will be shown is the app user interface and how the vibration motors respond when the user selects different pulse rates.